the CGT. We're gonna go take it for a nice spin.
Now, shift to second, shift.
Now, we actually found a 918.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Daniel or LAOC Exotics here, and today we're gonna learn how to drive a Carrera GT. Please leave a like on the video and let's get to it. So, unexpected turn of events, we're gonna learn how to drive this thing today. And here we go. So we're in the CGT, we're gonna go take it for a nice spin.
Daniel, you dog. Okay, so right now I'm in Daniel's truck. It's a very nice truck, but it's a little slow.
Now it's all in the feet. It's really not that tough. There's a clutch, there's a brake, and a gas pedal, just like a regular car. So Daniel, if you're up to it, you up to it?
I am very up to it.
All right,
Here we go.
Shut the door, and off we go.
All right.
Okay, so this is the bird's eye view, or the passenger seat view, of Daniel. He's gonna try to install this.
Yep.
I'm sure it's not gonna be a problem.
All right.
So he's adjusted the seat, which doesn't take much adjustment, and he's played around with the clutch a little bit, but what's rule number one? What do you do with your foot?
I am taking my foot off of the gas.
That's right.
I am not touching it until we go.
That's right.
All right.
So, go ahead, engage.
Okay.
Not, yep, straight up, yep.
Is that, no.
Nope.
There we go.
No gas, no gas. Go. This is the great part. See, he stalled it, but why? What's rule number one about driving a stick shift car when you get in?
I don't know. What is it?
Take the emergency brake off.
Dang it.
He just left the emergency brake on, that's all. Okay, so first, make sure the car's in neutral.
I think it's in neutral, yeah. Oh.
Yep, in neutral.
Okay.
Okay.
Clutch in.
Clutch in.
Crank
Start
it.
up. Yep. Okay.
Here we go.
All right, we'll try it again. Is the emergency brake off?
Emergency brake is off now.
Okay. And, okay. No gas. Oh, you're in reverse. That's good. So put your foot put it into first gear, not reverse. That's the first time that's happened. There are cars behind us, so you may want to take your foot. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Give it a little gas. Give it gas. Look at that. Okay, clutch. Now you put it into neutral, but put it into second. Yep, there you go. Nice and easy. Now, slow down. Slow down.
Okay.
Okay, slow to really crawling speed.
Okay.
So that we can then do that again. So pull over to the side. You can leave it in neutral. Okay, just stop over here. Perfect. Okay. So look, you did a perfect job. First time you had the emergency brake on, so that doesn't count.
Yep.
So...
Incredible!
There you do.
Did just fine. It's easy. People all get freaked out about this stuff. So, all right. So again, clutch in first gear, not reverse.
What?
See what it did? It knows.
It knew I was going to stall, so it booted back up.
Clutch out a little bit. There you go. You're off and rolling. There you go. Okay, brake.
Neutral or just leave
neutral. I leave it in neutral. So yeah, the car knows what to do. And so if you're on a really big incline, it's really simple. So that's going to turn green. So into gear. Very simple. Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
You pulled it out too fast. Slow. No pressure. Go ahead. There we go. We're rolling. Let it go. There you go. Give it gas. Put it into gear.
There we go. This is cool. Not that hard.
There you go. Gas, gas, gas. Not too much gas. How's it feel, Daniel?
Awesome. Dang it.
It's okay.
Can't get it into gear.
It's okay. And second gear, second gear. Oh, just roll it.
Oh, I'm in reverse. Shoot.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. There you go. Give it gas. Gas, gas, gas. Okay, now shift. Clutch, shift. No, you're in neutral again.
Damn it.
Yeah, you're getting, yeah. So let's, don't worry too much about the bumps, of course. You're probably, you're in fourth gear now.
I am in fourth gear, I
So
noticed
shift
that.
it down into, okay, go into neutral. We'll do it again.
Okay. Should we go down towards PFS?
You can.
Okay.
Yeah. Give you a chance to do that. Now just chill.
Okay.
Just want to get this in one down. Just shift. Let's go first. Go to second. Go to no.
Oh,
No,
don't
no
give it
gas.
gas. Don't give it gas. Don't give it gas. Yep, there we go.
Good job. Good job. Give it gas. Okay. Now shift to second. Now shift to second. Shift. Easy, easy. No, just take it. Don't give it gas. Just put it to neutral. Now we go straight.
Okay.
Let this guy go. Okay. Just into first gear now.
No. First gear.
Easy. Let that guy go. Give it gas. Take your foot off the clutch. Okay, now slow. Just clutch in. There. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Clutch in. There you go.
Awesome. Man, what an awesome car. Woo! All right, here we go. So you just don't give it gas?
It's okay.
Okay.
Easy. Just get out of your head. Did it perfectly before. No gas, no gas, no gas. Perfect. Now let's let go. Give it gas, gas, gas. Now easy at the second shift.
Oh,
You got a red light ahead, so just yeah. Okay, put into gear. Okay, just easy. That's okay.
man. I'm just letting it out too quick, huh?
Yep. Gas. Give it gas. I'd shift into second now. Second. Down to second. Just make the light. Second gear. Okay, just make the light. You want to go up and around PFS and I'll drive you back in.
Where we switched last time?
Yep, perfect.
Cool. All right, one last time to not stall before we take off. Here we go. So, put it in first. You gotta find that right part of the clutch where it just starts rolling,
Did
and
it
then
great.
it pops.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Fucking expert.
Awesome. Awesome. And then you put it into neutral.
Yep.
And then you pull the parking brake because you don't want to roll away.
Nope.
Turn the car off.
Awesome.
And you're good. And now I'm a Carrera GT expert. So if you ever need advice, just hit me up on Instagram, LAOC Exotics.
Oh, there we go. I always like to say the mark of a truly good car is that it can also handle the roads well.